Are you looking for a delicious way to boost your health? Look no further than kumquats. These tiny, tangy fruits pack a powerful punch of vitamins and antioxidants that can transform your well-being. Imagine getting a daily dose of immune support, improved digestion, and glowing skin, all from a fruit the size of a grape. Intrigued? Discover why kumquats should be your new go-to snack, with studies showing that just one serving can provide 73% of your daily vitamin C needs. It's time to explore the incredible health benefits of kumquats and how they can enhance your lifestyle. Dive in and see the magic for yourself. Kumquats are native to Southeast Asia and are particularly popular in China, where they have been cultivated for centuries. These small citrus-like fruits belong to the Rutaceae family and are often referred to by their scientific name, Fortunella. In addition to kumquats, they are sometimes called golden oranges due to their bright color and sweet tart flavor. Their unique taste and impressive health benefits make them a favorite in many culinary traditions around the world. Stay tuned as we uncover the surprising health benefits of kumquats. These little fruits might just become your new secret weapon for a healthier lifestyle. Here are 10 health benefits of kumquats. Rich in vitamin C. Kumquats are packed with vitamin C. This essential vitamin boosts the immune system, helping to ward off colds and infections, and also acts as a powerful antioxidant that protects cells from damage. High in fibre. Kumquats are an excellent source of dietary fibre. Fibre aids in digestion, prevents constipation, and helps maintain a healthy weight by promoting a feeling of fullness. Antioxidant powerhouse. Kumquats contain a range of antioxidants, including flavonoids and carotenoids. Antioxidants neutralize harmful free radicals in the body, reducing oxidative stress and lowering the risk of chronic diseases like heart disease and cancer. Supports eye health. The carotenoids in kumquats, such as lutein and zeaxanthin, are beneficial for the eyes. These compounds help protect the eyes from age-related macular degeneration and cataracts by filtering harmful blue light and maintaining retinal health. Enhances skin health. Vitamin C and antioxidants in kumquats contribute to healthy skin. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, which keeps skin firm and youthful, while antioxidants protect the skin from UV damage and aging. Boosts heart health. Kumquats contain nutrients like potassium and fiber that benefit heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure, while fiber lowers cholesterol levels, reducing the risk of cardiovascular disease. Aids in weight management. Kumquats are low in calories and high in fiber. The fiber content promotes satiety, helping you feel full longer and reducing overall calorie intake, which is beneficial for weight management. Anti-inflammatory properties. Kumquats contain compounds like flavonoids that have anti-inflammatory effects. These properties help reduce inflammation in the body, which is linked to numerous chronic conditions, including arthritis and heart disease. Improves digestive health. The high fiber content in kumquats aids digestion. Fiber promotes regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports a healthy gut microbiome, which is essential for overall digestive health. Supports bone health. Kumquats provide essential nutrients like calcium and magnesium. These minerals are vital for maintaining strong bones and teeth, preventing osteoporosis and other bone-related disorders as you age. Incorporating kumquats into your diet can significantly enhance your overall health, thanks to their diverse and powerful nutritional profile. You can consume kumquats whole, skin and all, enjoying their unique combination of sweet and tart flavors, or add them to salads, jams, desserts, and even savory dishes for a zesty, nutritious twist. Thanks for joining us today to discover the amazing health benefits of kumquats. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more health tips and delicious recipes. Let us know in the comments how you like to enjoy kumquats and be sure to share this video with your friends. See you next time!